What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of #IRL, where we bring PicsArt to real life. So in today's episode, I'm gonna be a TikToker for a day. Yay!
Yay! So let's go be a TikToker for a day.
Dump and a jump. Tap when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rap. I'm so out of line with the phrase.
So I found some cool TikTok trends that I really wanted to recreate. Some were dancing, some were like adding some random pop-ups, and I had some cool ideas that might turn into trends, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you want to record your own TikToks using PicsArt effects, all you have to do is press on the record button and dance, 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 and then stop it. And then go to effects, choose whichever effect you'd like to put in, and then press record again. And ooh, 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 dancing, 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 ooh, ooh. And voila, you guys, you have the perfect splitsies of glitch and non-glitch. Yay! Alright, now we're gonna do the splitsies. So there's this like really cool trend on TikTok where you do the loop thing and then your whole outfit is changed. Yeah, we're doing that right now. So we're gonna go to the exact spot where I'm like slapping myself and ouch, that gotta hurt. So trim that and use split. Then we're gonna go to the end of the video where I changed my outfit and I did the whole slapping thing again. And let's see, right there. Perfect. And then split that as well. And then just delete the middle part. Looking at myself and whoo, yeah! Man, this looks dope. All right, let's export this and then put it on TikTok. Alright guys, to spice up your TikTok videos, we are going to add filters to one of the dancing videos. So let me try. I think I'm gonna go with 1991 because it gives like this like cool vibe. Ooh, we love this. Wow. I'm just gonna fade it up a little bit right there. Yeah, I love this. So just apply, and I think I'm just gonna save this as is because it looks so cute. Alright guys, so we're gonna do the like me playing with myself effect. So what I'm gonna do is go to the trim effect again and then just trim it from the place that I wanna cut it. So whoop, trim that, split, and then delete the second part of the video. Doop. Apply and save that to your gallery. And then we're gonna re-upload the whole video again, right? So choose the video and trim, split, delete first part. So I'm going to add the mirror effect on this second part. So go to effects, right there, add mirror, woo, yay. So I'm just gonna put the offset a little bit closer to each other so that it looks like I'm playing the game with myself. So next, save that to your gallery again. And then we're gonna add both videos in one video editor scene. So let's see how this looks like. Yay!
Alright guys, guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you liked it. I loved it. I loved being a TikToker for a day. So make sure to go to TikTok and check out our account there. And make sure to try out some videos by yourself and add it to your TikToks and tag us with #PicsArt. Bye guys!
Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias to get awesome content and mini tutorials. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get long tutorials on everything you need to know.